Hey everyone. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to register, schedule, and reschedule your Florida Contractor Licensing Exam. I'll also show you the current 2026 exam fees and walk you through what to expect during the registration process. Let's get started. Before you can schedule your exam, you first need to register through Professional Testing, Inc. at www.floridaexam.com. Professional Testing handles the registration process for Florida's Construction Industry Licensing Board examinations. The examination parts you need to register for depend on your contractor category. For general building and residential contractors, the exam consists of three parts: business and finance, contract administration, and project management. For most Division II categories, you'll take two parts: business and finance and trade knowledge. Now let's talk about the fees. For 2026, the mandatory registration fee for a computer-based examination is $135 paid to professional testing. Then when you schedule your exam through Pearson VUE, you'll pay the applicable examination administration fee. Business and finance is $80. Trade knowledge is also $80. Contract administration is $40. And project management is $40. One important thing to understand is that the $135 registration fee and the Pearson VUE examination fees are separate. You pay the $135 registration fee to professional testing, and Pearson VUE collects the applicable examination fee when you schedule. The examination fees are non-refundable and non-transferable, so make sure you're registering for the correct exam parts. Once you've selected the examination parts you need, complete your registration with professional testing and submit the $135 registration fee. Make sure all of the information you enter is accurate before submitting your registration. After your registration is processed, you'll need to wait for an authorization email before Pearson VUE can schedule your computer-based examination. If it has been more than 14 business days since you completed your registration and payment through PTI and you have not received the email, contact Pearson VUE directly. Once you're authorized, you'll receive instructions from Pearson VUE on how to schedule your examination. You can then go to the Pearson VUE website or contact Pearson VUE by phone to schedule your exam. If you choose to do so on the website, you'll need to log into your Pearson VUE account and select the Florida construction examination you're approved to take. Select the examination part you want to schedule. Before continuing, double-check that you've selected the correct examination. Next, search for an available testing location. You can enter your zip code or preferred area to see the testing centers available near you. Once you've selected your location, you'll see the available dates and times. Choose the appointment that works best for you. If you have a specific date in mind, I recommend scheduling as early as possible because availability can vary. At this point, you'll pay the applicable Pearson VUE examination administration fee. Remember, business and finance and trade knowledge are each $80, while contract administration and project management are each $40. Before you finish, carefully review your appointment. Make sure your exam, location, date, and time are all correct. Then complete your payment and confirm your appointment. After your appointment is confirmed, make sure you save your Pearson VUE confirmation email. You'll want to have your exam date, time, and testing location available before test day. Now, what if you already scheduled your exam but need to change your appointment? You can reschedule through Pearson VUE, log into your account, go to your upcoming appointments, select the exam you need to change, and choose the reschedule option. From there, select a new available date, time, or location. Review your new appointment carefully and then confirm the change. If you know you're not going to be able to make your appointment, don't wait until the last minute. Reschedule as soon as possible and always check the current Pearson VUE cancellation and rescheduling policies before making a change. So here's a quick recap. First, register with professional testing. Second, pay the $135 registration fee. Third, receive your authorization. Fourth, schedule your exam through Pearson VUE. Fifth, pay the applicable examination fee. Show up and take your exam. And finally, fill out and submit your license application. If you're preparing for your Florida Contractor Licensing Exam, Palm Construction School offers business and finance and trade knowledge exam preparation, including live classes, online courses, practice exams, and the books you need. Thanks for watching and good luck on your exam.